So my question is that is, as you know, in our society, starvation is going on. So how we prevent that? By the money or by the happiness?
As you can see that there are too much of public transport. This happen with the money. So if we would show them spread happiness, would they give us free ride?
So you are doing your job because of the money only. Will you do your job without the money also? When you will not get the salary?
So my question is that we all said that money is not important in our life. So what you can buy without money and what you can buy with the happiness?
माइक लो आंसर देना है इनका ले लो
What you can buy with the happiness? What you can buy with the happiness?
भुखमरी से कैसे डील करोगे बिना पैसे के कैसे यू कांट फीड योर स्टमक
सर हैप्पीनेस से तुम क्या ही खरीद सकते हो?
By the happiness we can buy many things, like we can buy the confidence of a person, and also many things. And the starvation, in the starvation, that if you if you in 1 month you give a food to the poorest people, and they have also responsibility to do a work, because this is not our responsibility to feed them every year.
स्टारवेशन 30 सेकंड है
Uh,
विराट शिव 30 सेकंड भुखमरी को कैसे डील करोगे हाउ यू गाइस कैन वर्क ऑन स्टारवेशन हाउ यू गाइस विल डील ऑन स्टारवेशन विद स्टारवेशन the problem of starvation how
You all know about people are most of very good people in a world, not most of, but some people who help each poor man's, like in I see in Palam Road, by any person, by money, no, no, no.
because of the money only yes do you have anybody has an answer
That's not our problem. That's the problem of the government, that they have to less these things, that there are many people when they are happy they will give the food to the poor peoples, and this type of this.
I want to counter him. Sir, I want to. Like you said, it's the problem of the government. If the government need to solve it, we need to get the money. The government need to pay the money. Like there is a starvation happening, the poverty is happening. So we need to fix that problem with only the money. The government would give them good. You are doing good thing. They would not if they. Would
You are in this world to earn money, no happiness.
Yes, I am here to earn money. In the future, I will earn money from my English.
You are in this world only to earn money, no happiness.
yes, I am here to. Yes, only money, because as you know that only the money is only the way to enhance ourselves, to develop ourselves. And let's take the example of our daily life support things, like food, shelter, where in our daily life we got, or buy the many new things in our daily life. Right? So because of the money we can buy that type of thing.
I need to earn money, because with the help of the money, I can get the happiness from the people. Like you can see, there are too many of poor people, the YouTubers and the people, etc. People who help them. They help them financially, not that they give them happiness. They give them financially happy, and then after that they help them and give them more financial things. Like they give them money, they give them food.
That's Mohit said that we are only earn money. You are a robot. You have no feeling. Yes, I am a robot. You have no feeling. Yes, I am. You only earn money. and you have no feeling happiness or sadness, or it's not talking about the emotion, it's talking about the happiness. Or if anyone slap you, so you will not cry, you will only be like,
So like, so what
there
is
is
his
not
name?
your mic, there is not
So
your
what is
mic.
his name? So what is his name?
उसी को कैप्चर करो जिस पे मैं माइक दूंगा जाके.
So like Priyanshu said that with the, you have don't any emotions. So only the happiness is an emotion. There are so many of other emotions, sadness and shocked emotion, and there are so many of the other the emotion. So we have also emotion, but we don't have any happiness.
According to you, you think people earn money to buy the things for their use, but you see in your street there are lot of people live there, and they also earn money for their food, but why they are not earn money? If people want to earn money, so he tried to take a job. So that time there is a exams will conducted like as most of time interviews, and that
So
time
there is too much of labor. Is there any exam for the labors? How can you say that?
So after doing the exam, we are doing the exam for the job only, and in the job we will get the salary. So we indirectly we are working for the money only.
And also with the help of the money we are able to study, and then if we want to get the job, so in the future with the help of the study we can get the job.
Mohit have said there has a azadi, like freedom in the 1947 from the India, from a British. He have said don't any happiness. He has very happiness from the freedom of free.
Thank you. Yes. प्रियांशु, अभी आते हैं तुम पे. सुकन्या.
If money was important, why are you Gautam Buddha leaves house? Why if money was important, why are you is important? Why Gautam Buddha leave in house? Left in house? Why?
Answer: why did Gautam Buddha Bhagwan leave his house? And why did B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose left their job? Jawaharlal Nehru ji left their job.
Because that type of person in the Asian type of peoples, everyone has 91% of chance to hallucination in their body. It's type of the mentality type of thing that that time they said that another type of goals when they are suffering with many problems, so they know the any solution of that. Why there is
People have too much.
why there is people do the discrimination with the lower people? Can you tell me? Discrimination with the lower people. Why do the rich people?
Why do rich people do discrimination with poor people? Because if they always spread happiness with the rich people, they want to talk with them, they spread good things with them, but the rich people only want to get the business and get the money, and after that they can spread happiness.
Yes. And sir, I want to answer.
वो आंसर करना है.
Yes, as Aradhya said about that, why the rich people do the discrimination with the poor people? So according to me, they are not doing the discrimination with them. They just giving the motivation to them to grow in our society. For example, that now. Yes, take the example of the Elon Musk. He also was with the many problems. He also faced the many problems, but other people always do a discrimination with him. But now he's a great leader of them.
So Aradhya said there is a discrimination. मैं भी बोलूं पहले आराध्या का.
क्वेश्चन था सर मेरा भी.
भैया.
If पहले मैं.
So Aradhya said that why there is discrimination between the rich people and the low people who are not rich. So earlier those people were also not that much rich. They take the inspiration because of that discrimination only. They grown themselves to be rich.
if your favorite person was died, you can buy the happiness by the person get from the person. So if the favorite person of yours will die, can you buy the happiness which was given by that person?
So, in like my grandmother died recently in 2016, and recently she died. And on the that day that she died, we always help the poor people with the financially problems, like they are suffering from the starvation. Everybody know about it. So I always my whole family goes to the poor people, help them, and in the every Tuesday my uncle and me go to the temples to help the people.
But there is a sadness in their heart that there is no grandmother with us.
So we are
How
helping
can you
them.
buy this?
We are helping them with the financial problem. They are giving us blessing, happiness. We are after the money that they are giving us happiness.
I I have a question for you. Just a take up example. Our children, his mother is very old and like a grandmother, and her children, her child left from her home and go to and said that go to Dharamsala like places. Why he is very rich and he is very owner of a big company and he's very rich. Why he said that you her mother to go to Dharamsala like places, old age home?
Sir, maybe there is a chance of, for example, that he said. So, according to me, her child, he is her child suffering with a financial problem. For example, that he fight with his sorry, he fight with him boss. You can say the manager of the job. For example, that as you know, there is a many problems of that. The sometimes what happened that our employee fight with the boss, so there is a chance of that. So he know that I am not able to give that types of facilities to my mother, so he is thinking about his mother to give the
Answer why rich people commit suicide.
So
If they are-
first talk about the poor peoples. Why do poor people suicide? They can't handle the pressure, but they are studying for being rich person, and they can't handle the pressure which their parents are giving and putting on them. And now on the other hand, let's talk about the rich people. So rich people also want their child to be a successful person by themselves only, not by their money. They should earn respect from their own self, not by their parents' money. So they put the pressure on the students, children, and so to be a successful guy like them. So because of the pressure which the parents are putting on their child, the rich people's child also suicide.
My point is there, like you can see the too much of rich people who want to be the type of thing which their parents don't like. They have happiness. Everybody know they have happiness. They have happiness. Their parents are giving them everything, but they want to choose their career in the type of like gaming. Their parents don't want to choose their path. The person want to be a not that big person, like his parents want that he would control and take over the properties, the business of his parents, of his father, but he want to make his own business or something else, like he want to choose his career in the gaming. So his parents don't want to do that. So after some time, because of the stress in the heart, he could not try in front of it, and everybody know this. If we control our emotion in front of and could not release it, so it can harm a heart attack. So it can kill the people. You can see there are too much of offers for the poor people, like the food and the platter for unlimited food for 1 rupees for the, as you can see in the YouTube and every place, there are some offers for the poor people. You can get the unlimited food for 1 rupee, and because of it and also there is too much of the helper which help the poor people, which give the financial things, money to the people which can help them. So on that time they are able to live, and they, as you know, there are too much of good YouTubers like Mr. Beast and etc. YouTubers which are very good, which help poor people to get money, which there is a chance they could become a millionaire or billionaire also.
एंड
Because
करो एंड करो एंड करो एंड करो रिकॉर्डिंग एंड करनी रिकॉर्डिंग एंड करनी
So most of the people, you have said that most of the people are poor, they don't have money, but most of the people have money. If you see the beggars,
Thank you
they have
guys.
money.
I just want to last remark. How are you feeling right now? Share your small words that how you are feeling right now after debate.
I'm feeling very well. I'm feeling very well after the debate, and I want to say that the money is not too much important.
About this circumstances, atmosphere, what do you think about this kind of activity is good or not? मुश्किल से 2 सेंटेंस बोलना है कि क्या कर सकती है आपके लिए. हाँ, these kind of activity, what it can do. Yes. सिर्फ 2 सेंटेंस बोलना है.
I less my fear to speak English in the public reaction.
This debate is good. This debate is good from the students and many kind of people.
Debate is very good. Also, we all know about it. Make your mind very thinking. If you do debate more and more, your mind is very sharp and think very good.
so I want to tell you about the debate. I have good experience. So I will tell you this. The debate topic is very good, and
I want to say that the debate is good also, because if there is a fight between you and anyone and you are right, so you can debate to that person, and it is improve your English speaking skills. According to my feeling, there are lot of people and students, they can decrease the possibility of the happiness. It can increase the productivity and the high capacity of money.
After debate, I feel very energetic and I feel very happy to the debate. I sit in the naturally and with the trees around with my trees.
Debate are very important in our life. अभी का माहौल today activity is very interested in our life.
This activity very interesting. I lots of enjoy this activity and I build up my confidence. Thank you so much.
I enjoy the today activity.
About activity.
So about this activity, the debates or the other activities, these are too good for our education also, and about these education, so these will increase our mind also.
So these kinds of activity which we concluded today is very important for our lifestyle, for our personal development, and for the things for making memories of our childhood. And these types of activities are also important for making this clear, having a conclusion which is important.
As you can see, we are in the public and we are able to speak like Varis is able to speak. Everybody was watching us, but we didn't get any kind of hesitation like people are watching me, and because of it, this activity can make us good in the communication in the public sphere, and it can remove our public sphere properly. Thank you.
According to my opinion, this environment should be provided to every student to enhance their personality, because of that you got a new experience. So that's all today. Thank you for watching and subscribe, like, comment.
Like, share. Subscribe this channel, guys. Definitely subscribe.
Subscribe.
Do debate.
Our channel. Like. You're shooting with the